I thought I'd give a little help with question 2 on chapter 2 pretest. So the first one gets you to do interest rates. You're going to do compound interest, A equals P, 1 plus I to the power of N, taking into account that quarterly and 2 years, what that means. Okay, solving for interest rate. Now you're going to take that interest rate and now we're going to do question B. And to do question B, you can try and use the financial calculator, but it'll likely freeze up. So what we're going to do is we're going to use something else. So if you log into the course, here's the course, and if you go to amortization table spreadsheet, if you click there, oh, it's already opening. Sure. Okay, let's hope this doesn't mess everything up. Oh, it did. Oh, well. Okay. Anyways, we get an amortization table. And basically what it says is we have our balance, we have payments, and then how much interest, how much principal and balance. So in this question, her balance, the amount that she is borrowing is $12,000. So we're going to put $12,000, oops, $12,000 right here. The payment she's making each month is $450. Okay, and then I'm going to fill this. I'm going to delete this table, delete this stuff. I'm going to fill downwards. I want everything to be 450. Okay, so you can go like this, and then you can do something called fill, and it'll fill it down. Okay, now we need to look at interest. So her interest is going to be this amount right here, and then it's going to be times by the interest rate divided by how often it's compounded. So it's compounded quarterly, and let's just say for A you got 9. I don't know what you got, but let's say we got 9. So that shows that this is how much interest she makes. Her principal is simply B3, so this is B3, 450 minus her interest. It goes there, and then right here is her balance. So we go E2, so it's the amount she had, minus how much she paid. Okay? So we just have to quickly change this formula as well. Remember we said 9%, but it's compounded quarterly. So there we go. Now, the only thing we have to do now is if we go and fill downwards, it'll copy that same formula. But because it depends on these cells, we got to get these cells filled as well. So we're going to go fill, and then finally we're going to go fill. So it'll fill down. Okay, so you can see after 12 months, she's made a bunch of payments and she still owes $9,000. So now that you've set up this spreadsheet, all you need to do is you need to keep filling down until we get a balance of 0, and you have to count how many months that happened. So the key point, the formulas are mostly set up for you, but you do have to change the formula so it has your percentage and how much it's compounded. Other than that, it should be good to go. Yep, so that's what you do for that question.